Now, from your MailChimp menu, the obvious route to take would be to go to integrations. But if you head to manage and integrations and you search for Zapier, you'll notice that it won't come up. There's no results. So the way that we tie them together is you head on to your Zapier account and you go over to your apps, My Apps on the left. And then what we search for is MailChimp. And you'll see it at the top. What you want to do then is click connect. Zapier will load. You want to log into your MailChimp, and this is you now connected. Your connection's here. So you can set up your Zaps. I'll actually show you the example of the Zaps that you can set up. So you can link it to your Facebook to lead to a MailChimp list. You can create MailChimp subscribers with new Typeform responses. There are thousands of ways that you can use Zapier and MailChimp to streamline your business day without the use of code. Now, Zapier works pretty well automating things, but tying it with your MailChimp just gives it that little bit extra edge. If you don't have the time in the day to do these things yourself, Zapier and MailChimp will set up the automations between them so that it runs sufficiently by itself. A quick scroll down, you can even get Slack notifications for new MailChimp subscribers. So all you need to do is click on try it. And it will ask you to connect your app, set up your Zap, and turn on your Zap, and it will work. So some of these are premium only, and they will come up premium. So if you're not in a premium Zapier plan, you will need to subscribe if some of those Zaps you want are locked behind the premium paywall. So if we click get started here, we'll connect the MailChimp demo account, which is the one we're using, or you can connect the new one. It will then ask us to choose the audience, and we'll just choose our webinar one. Next, it will get the data from MailChimp. That was relatively fast. You want to connect your Slack account, so click on connect Slack. So this is going to take us over to Slack. So do we want to give it, do we want to give it access? You want to read through all these, you do so, but for the purposes of this demo, we're just going to click allow. And this is my account on Slack. Click next. We'll give it access to the team. Click next. Select the fields you want to edit in Slack. So include a link to this app, attach an image, broadcast to the channel, you can click that, link usernames and channel names, perfect. We'll click next. Map fields, message text, and we'll just put test. Send as a bot, you can click yes or no. Include a link, yes. Auto expand links, yes. Links to usernames and channel names, you'll click yes. Click on next. We'll create an item in Slack to verify all works. Send test. Check your Slack account to view it. We'll click on next. And then all you do is you turn on your Zap.